Just up the road from my home is a field with two horses in it. From a distance, each horse looks like any other horse. But if you stop your car, or if you are walking by, you will notice something quite amazing. Looking into the eyes of one horse will disclose that he is blind. His owner has chosen not to have him put down, but has made a good home for him. This alone is amazing. If you stand nearby and listen, you will hear the sound of a bell. Looking around for the source of the sound, you will see that it comes from the smaller horse in the field. Attached to the horse's halter is a small bell. It lets the blind friend know where the other horse is, so that he can follow. As you stand and watch these two friends, you will see that the horse with the bell is always checking on the blind horse, and that the blind horse will listen for the bell and then slowly walks to where the other horse is, trusting that he will not be led astray. When the horse with the bell returns to the shelter of the barn each evening, it stops occasionally and looks back, making sure that the blind friend isn't too far behind to hear the bell. Like the owners of these two horses, God does not throw us away just because we are not perfect or because we have problems or challenges. God watches over us and even brings others into our lives to help us when we are in need. Sometimes we are the blind horse, being guided by the little ringing bell of those who God places in our lives. Other times, we are the guiding horse, helping others to find their way. Whichever role you are playing, play it with complete honesty. The need of the hour is to show empathy and humanity to mankind. So please listen for my bell, and I'll listen for yours. Let's be kinder than necessary, especially during these challenging times. Everyone you meet is fighting some kind of a battle. For we are all walking by faith and not by sight as we sail through these challenging times. Happy week ahead.